This is why FAB, Epic Games' newly released marketplace, is a big deal. A few days ago, this new unified marketplace has been released to the public, and it's filled with AAA high-quality assets, product visualization tools, environments, and more, including a free asset library with over 17,000 plus high-quality meshes, including 10 packs with brand new scene files from Quixel. To read them, your free mega scans, go to fab.com and click on this button. Then sign up and claim them. Essentially, FAB is the fusion between Unreal Engine Marketplace and Sketchfab, with content compatible with all sorts of game engines. Also, Epic Games team has ambitious goals for FAB. Over the coming months, they'll continue improving the user experience, adding new content and shipping new features. Also, they're planning on introducing assets for Roblox and Minecraft. They're also working on getting access to MetaHumans, a new listing review system, product-specific FAQs, and new analytics to enhance the seller experience. In 2025, they're also planning to release another free starter pack with more than 1,500 hand-picked assets available on all platforms. This starter pack will contain a variety of popular 3D assets, plants, trees, surfaces, decals, imperfections, and the 10 packs Quixel released on FAB's launch day. However, there are some things that need to be adjusted with this new marketplace. For example, FAB is not available on the UE marketplace yet. On the other hand, FAB's new plugin is available. Just download it, open Unreal Engine, go to the Window tab and click FAB. Make sure your account is loaded, then open the asset you want to use and click Add to Project. I personally think that FAB's going to be a worthy successor to Unreal Engine and Sketchfab, even if at the moment is a little bit buggy. However, this new marketplace will surely reserve us lots of new upcoming free and paid assets, available across all sorts of platforms, expanding FAB's reach a lot further. If you enjoyed this video, I kindly invite you to leave a like and follow this channel to get lots of Unreal Engine updates and tutorials every week. Also, make sure to leave a comment to let me know what do you think about Epic Games' new unified marketplace. This said, see you on the next video.